Hi, I'm going to show you guys how to download and play League of Legends Wildrift, even if it's not available in your region. So let's get right into this. So what we're going to be doing here on the tablet is you're going to want to download a VPN, Hola VPN or VPN free. Both work very well for what we're trying to do. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download your VPN and then turn on your VPN. And so right now you can see that I have my VPN on in the top left. VPN free is the one that I'm using, and I connected to the Singapore server. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a Google account in somewhere in the Philippines, somewhere near the server region that you are going to be connecting to on your VPN. I chose Singapore, and I was lucky enough to have a viewer in the Philippines create a Google account for me. So after that, what you're going to do is download. This is very specific. Download the app TapTap. You can also find it by typing in taptap.io, and we'll open that right now in the Play Store. VPN and it won't ban. And so you'll download taptap.io is the app that you're looking for. It is going to say, I already have it downloaded, so it might not show up for me. So taptap.io. Let me show you the icon that it actually comes up with. And so TapTap right here. Once this is downloaded, you're going to open it. Here's TapTap. This is better than the Google Play Store, right? Because it allows you to bypass the Google Play Store or the Android or iOS, and this acts as its own separate entity. And so what you're going to want to do is, see, it's already popped up, right? This League of Legends Wildrift was the #1 game, anticipated game on this platform. So you can top right button with a little search, go to Wildrift Beta, touch the Wildrift Beta, and it's going to give you touch the game, and you'll see up at the top right that there are 4. The top 4 suggestions are the Wildrift. There's the test server, the test global server, and there's a Wildrift CN, Wildrift TW, and then Wildrift Global. The one I was able to download was the Global. So what you're going to want to do is download it from here while connected to your VPN, because if you are not connected to your VPN, it will not allow you to download it. So let's say, hey, you've got it installed. Make sure that you are connected to your VPN this entire time. I tried doing it not connected to the VPN, and it said that the server was under maintenance. It also banned me my first attempt to try and do this without the Google account set up this way. And so we'll go to open. This is going to open it. And so this will give me the tilt on the side. Excuse me. We're going to hit the back to home. I'm going to have to edit this out of the video on YouTube. Let's just close this for a second. We're going to do something crazy and close this. All right, boop. So I'm going to close everything but the VPN right now, even though the VPN will work in the background. And let's do this like I was showing you. We'll go to TapTap, and then we will open. First option, we will open it. And we'll show you just the real quick kind of rundown of what this is going to look like loading up. And so if you can hit this without it saying like it's damaged or anything, you guys are already miles ahead. You guys are doing it. This is what's up. So we're loading in the game right now. It will update, and it will kind of look like it froze, but it's just updating the game. And so I have Google Play. You can log in through your Facebook, through your Riot account, or to your Google Play. And I highly suggest using that Google account that you made in a different region, Singapore, and then connect to your VPN, do all of this, and then connect to your Google Play. And then what's going to happen is it's going to connect that Google Play, and it will make you make a new Riot account. And so you just connect with that Google account that was made out of your region, do whatever kind of setup information you need to be able to log in through the new Riot account it's going to give you. And then this is the end result, folks. You are playing Wildrift. I'm hoping that I was able to give you guys a good amount of value for this video. Please let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I look forward to seeing you on the Rift.